Hey guys, welcome to SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and this is Lyra who wants to sit on my lap today. One of those days, I guess. And today's video will be talking about sandalwood and how to use sandalwood for your skincare routine. So today's routine will be entirely using sandalwood. Why sandalwood, you ask? Well, let me tell you, sandalwood has a lot of amazing properties for your skin. It helps in dealing with acne scars. It also helps in removal of tans, softening the skin, brightening up the skin. So yes, guys, sandalwood has a lot of benefits. This routine will be mostly focused for those people who have a lot of hyperpigmentation, acne scars. Of course, if you have other skin troubles also, if you just want to brighten up the skin, even then this is a really cool routine. So yes, guys, let's get started and let's see what this routine is all about. Is Lyra ready? Yes, Lyra is ready. Now Lyra will have to move because I'll be using all these things on my face. So Lyra, go baby, go. Go. She's gonna just come with her toy. Baby, what did you do? Sorry guys, I don't know. Oh, you can't even see the lights. Can you see the lights? I don't know what keeps happening. Anyways, forget it. So guys, the first step is obviously cleansing, for which I'm using the Sandalwood face wash from Alps Goodness. This product claims to soothe acne, brighten skin complexion and also help restore skin moisture. So guys, helps in restoring moisture is a very important quality in this ingredient because sandalwood as an ingredient in itself is extremely drying. Okay, if you use sandalwood powder as it is, in your DIYs and all that, if you ever use it, you'll know the sandalwood powder can be extremely drying for your skin. So restoring moisture is definitely a good restoring moisture is definitely an important property of this face wash. Now I'm just gonna go and quickly wash my face and then move to the next step. So the next step is exfoliating the skin, where once again I'm using a sandalwood face scrub, and this also from As Goodness. I think it's from the same range. Lyra. So this product claims to help detoxify the skin, control sebum production and lighten blemishes. And here's a quick tip for exfoliating exfoliating. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know why all these slips are happening today. It's probably because I'm doing this and talking and all of that together. So here's a quick tip for exfoliating your skin, guys. Number one, don't exfoliate your skin every single day. Exfoliate twice or thrice a week. Thrice is also on the higher side. Thrice is also on the higher side. Twice is usually enough. And always look for either chemical exfoliators or very gentle exfoliators like this one, where the particles or granules are very tiny. Anything with harsh granules will feel good when you're scrubbing it, but it's actually not good for your skin. So just light gentle exfoliation to remove the dead skin cells should be good enough. And now for the face mask, we are going to DIY the face mask, for which obviously the first thing we'll be using is the sandalwood powder. So here I'm using de-oiled sandalwood powder. Obviously if you have dry skin, you will need to add some milk to this, which we'll add in just a little bit. So I'm going to take a little bit of this de-oiled sandalwood powder, just a little bit, okay? And you see this cute looking, I don't know what to call this, pot over here. I'm going to mix it in this. I love this little pot, guys. So yeah, the de-oiled sandalwood powder. To this I'm going to add a little bit of tulsi pack. Now this is from Vibes Ayurveda, and this basically contains tulsi, and tulsi is again for detoxifying your skin, for cleansing your skin, for dealing with acne marks. Tulsi is another one of those ingredients which is so great for your skin. I think our Indian ingredients are so amazing. I mean, if you start using these DIY ingredients, you really don't need anything else for your skin, To this, I'm also going to add a little bit of cucumber gel, because cucumber gel is great for skin soothing and also for skin cooling. Okay, so especially if you have tanned your skin a lot and if your skin has lost its brightness because of that, this can be such a great thing. So I'm just adding like 1 big spoon of cucumber gel and also a little bit of milk. So basically guys, these are DIY ingredients and you can just pick and choose what you want to add, what you don't want to add. I'm just adding a bunch of ingredients which I felt like would make for a really good mix. For skin detoxifying, of course you can change the proportion accordingly. If you want to use more sandalwood, you can totally do that. For people who have extremely oily skin, you can use a little less milk. If you have dry skin, use lots of milk like I just did. So just gonna mix all the ingredients in this little clay pot I have over here, and now I'm gonna apply this on my face. Okay guys, done applying this mask. So I'm going to leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off. So yes, I'll see you guys after washing this off. Now the next step is going to be using a face mist. Now face mist is a great thing to use, especially if your skin is dry and dehydrated. Ideally face mist can be used any time of the day, whenever you just want to feel refreshed, whenever you want to hydrate your skin. Face mist is something which you can also use on top of your makeup. Of course, a lot of this also depends on which face mist you are using. Now personally, I love using face mist also before moisturizing my face, especially today when I've used so much of sandalwood on my face. I am going to be using a face mist first and then moisturizing my face. So since I don't have a sandalwood face mist, I'm going to be making my own face mist. Here I have with me the Vayam Ayurveda. Yes guys, once again Vayam Ayurveda, and this is the long face mist. Now long, which is also known as clove in English, is a great ingredient once again for dealing with acne, for also skin cooling and nourishing. It also helps in brightening the skin. So long is not something which is used a lot in your beauty recipes, but I tried out this face mist and I'm loving it so much. So to this I'm going to add a little bit of sandalwood essential oil, because you also want to use sandalwood in a routine today. So I'm just going to use 2 drops of sandalwood essential oil to almost half a bottle of this face mist. That's very little sandalwood essential oil, but that's because essential oils are extremely potent ingredients and it doesn't suit anybody if you use too much of essential oil. Okay, so we're just going to take 2 drops of this. Okay, so just added 2 drops of sandalwood essential oil. Guys, I'll put all the links in the description box below. And by the way, Purple is having a huge sale going on right now, so a lot of these ingredients will also be available at discounted prices. I'll put the details also in the description box below. So just gonna give this thing a quick mix. Whenever you use essential oil in your face mist, make sure you give it a good mix before you actually apply it on your face. And that's it, guys. Okay, so long and sandalwood together makes for a really good fragrance. Okay, so face mist is something which basically hydrates your skin. It also helps in retaining moisture. Because it helps in retaining moisture, it's a great thing to use also before you moisturize your face. So you can just use it whenever you want to use in your routine. Really, no hard and fast rules. And for the last and final step, which is moisturizing the face. Now, if you have oily skin, you can just use a light moisturizer and add 1 or 2 drops of your essential sandalwood essential oil to it. Since my skin naturally tends to be really dry, I'm going to moisturize my skin with a little bit of oil today. Okay, because like I told you guys, sandalwood in itself, as an ingredient in itself, it's extremely drying for the skin. So just for my dry skin, I'm going to use an oil. So depending on what your skin needs, you can pick whichever part of this routine works best for you. Now for the face oil today, I'm going to be using the neem oil. Now I have talked about neem oil before on my channel. This one is from Good Vibes. Neem oil is again great for keeping your skin clean, for managing the sebum production. It's also great for acne prone skin, for acne spots. Neem has amazing benefits. So I'm just gonna take like a few drops of neem oil on my palms. Just a little bit of neem oil. And to this I'm gonna once again add just about 1 drop of sandalwood essential oil. So I'm once again using the sandalwood essential oil. And just gonna mix the ingredients really well. One more thing about neem oil is what, you know guys, neem oil is also great for balancing the oil balance of your skin. So it's something which can be used by people who have oily skin, but after this procedure, I don't think you should be using neem oil if you have oily skin. For this routine specifically, use a moisturizer. For dry skin, use neem oil any time of the day you want, guys. It has a strong fragrance, but it's really good for your skin. It also helps in dealing with hyperpigmentation. It also helps in dealing with skin aging issues. So it has so many benefits. And just gonna wipe off all of the excess. And that's it. Okay. Alright, sorry if that was a little bit sudden. I was just thinking of something. So yes guys, this is what my skin looks like by the end of this routine. Honestly, this is a very simple routine. And once again, this is really just for giving you some ideas and some steps. You don't have to use every single thing that I used today. You don't have to do everything exactly as I did today. This is just like more of a concept thing. And if you want to start using sandalwood, because sandalwood obviously has a lot of beauty benefits. Now there's a routine which you can do every single day, but if you want to exfoliate the skin, only do the exfoliation twice a week. For the rest of the things, you can do it every single day. And yes guys, that's all I want to share in this video. If you like this video, if you like the ideas and the concepts shared, if anything seems useful to you for your skin hyperpigmentation issues, acne spots, acne scars, or if you just want to brighten up your skin, this should be a really good routine. So if you try it out, please let me know in the comment section below how it worked out for you. And yes, that's all for today's video, guys. Sorry about all the noise in the background. There's so much happening right now, you know, because of the lockdown. Everybody stays at home and so many things just keep happening in my house when I'm filming my video. It's absolutely crazy. So yes, guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and yep, bye bye. This conclusion shot has become so long. Okay, bye guys.